Hello mga chums! Welcome back to another episode of Hashtag Take Me Somewhere. Siya. So I'm back. It is already 6:17 in the evening and it's a Thursday. So we are currently here at Selah Pods in Pasay City. I don't have any plans sana mag-vlog, but I just want to share with you guys yung place na pag-i-stayhan namin. So the reason why we're here kasi may inasikaso lang si Ken related sa work niya and sa break naman namin, so sumama na ako. I will be staying here for only one night kasi maybe tomorrow or the next day uwi na kami ng Bicol. So not the standard double. Ano naman silang mga loft style na rooms na pwede nyo i-check sa website nila. But ako, I booked this via Agoda. Ang liit lang ng room namin, very budget friendly. Pag gusto nyong i-consider if ever you're planning to go to Manila. Kasi very accessible lang siya and within Pasay City lang. So yeah, I'll just give you a quick room tour. Okay, so it's the door and then here, my bathroom. And yan, and yung CR nila, yung toilet, and then yung shower nila, may hot and cold. So, huwag na din kayo magdala ng towel kasi may towel na siya. O, diba? Ang linis. And ito yung room namin. Ang liit niya lang actually. So, parang it reminds me of yung accommodation namin sa Hong Kong. Like, super liit lang. But it's fine. May television. And you know that window, ang ganda ng view namin dyan. Kanina nakita ko yung sunset. Super ganda ng sunset. Table here, my mini fridge and safety box. So may glasses din kayo. And my telephone, if you need anything, you can just call sa front desk. And here, there's a mirror here. And a sink. Diba? Silang shampoo, toothpaste, and toothbrush. So, yun lang yung room namin. And andito kami ngayon sa 8th floor. So, try namin umakyat sa rooftop. We'll check our resto bar and yung pool area nila. Ang ganda. Ito yung rooftop nila na may pool. And I so love the city lights. Yun nga lang, gusto ko rin mag-swim pero walang ibang naliligo. So, hanggang 8 lang ata yung pool open. So, not sure, baka tomorrow na lang. kung gusto mo mag-chill love na medyo may trail, pwede dyan, no? Oh, pero yun talaga, pwede ka dyan sa hanging pods.
So, yun na nga. Bumalik kami dito sa room para iwan lang namin yung ibang things namin. Like yung tripod. Pero guys, nakita nyo naman yung ganda talaga ng city lights sa taas, dun sa roof nila, sa roof deck. Like, perfect! Gusto ko talaga kasi nakakita ng city lights. And yung pool pala nila, hanggang 10 PM pa. So, di ko sure kung maliligo pa ako, pero gusto ko siyang itry. Magdi-dinner muna kami. We're back in our room and nag-change lang ako. Actually, ako lang maliligo kasi si Ken very busy siya. So, we needed to extend another day here. Pero, nung nag-inquire ako sa front desk, i-extend ko sana tong room na to, but sad to say, hindi na siya available for tomorrow. So, what we did, pumunta kami dun sa kabila. Ito kasi Selah Pods to. So, yung kabila, Selah Lofts dun. So, pag nag-book ka sa kanila, kailangan mo pa magbayad ng additional 350 ata para ma-access mo yung pool, para makapag-swim ka doon. Pero mas mura yung room sa kanila, like 1,002. So nag-book na ako doon para tomorrow lipat kami doon. Ito kasing standard double dito sa Selah Pods cost us 2,600. Pero hindi na namin kailangan mag-pay ng additional para sa pool access. Tomorrow, papakita ko sa inyo yung room sa Selah Lofts para makita niyo yung difference. And guys, they also have their resto bar and the pool area and the view.
You looking so good, I'm down for you. I want nobody else, I just want you. So let's go down to my place and have some fun. I can take you places you never expected. Oh yeah, let me drown in your body and no time. A happy man, I'm better. Midnight love is special. Yeah, quiero un besito tuyo. Dámelo y te juro que te lo devuelvo.
Yes.
I'm gonna guess that you are.
Morning everyone. It's already 8:05 in the morning. Anyway, breakfast lang kami. And I'll check out namin dito. Sa room na to is 12 o'clock. Then later, lipat kami sa Selah Lofts. So guys, meron din silang menu. Pwede kayong mag-order if you want sa resto bar nila. Haven't tried, pero baka doon kami mag-breakfast. Tignan namin. Kami just pop up. So we're here ngayon sa resto bar nila to take our breakfast. So yung breakfast is not free. Nag-order na lang kami.
Paano nga pala nangyari yun? Hindi kasi ako makinig.
Hindi naman. Tab. What you looking at? Uy. Uy. Sa'yo yan lahat? Okay.
Fake a smile
already 1:19 in the afternoon at hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Galing kaming medical center kasi chinek namin yung result niya. Check out na din kami dun sa room namin, Selah Pods, kaninang 12 noon. So, 3 p.m. pa yung check-in namin dun sa Selah Lofts. Dito kami ngayon sa MOA para mag-lunch.
To let you know who I am, well, the way I am. Just give me some space. I hope you understand. So call me in the morning, 'cause by then I should be doing fine. I'm feeling heated for no reason.
Bye,
I'm trying to
everyone.
start a fight.
Okay, so we are now here sa new room namin sa Selah Lofts. Sige, room tour tayo. Wait lang. Ayun yung sa taas. So, ang medyo ano lang dito kasi wala siyang window. Wala siyang window. Oo. Pero okay na. Only 1,200. O, diba? Air-conditioned room na siya. So, this is the bathroom. Hindi naman. Maliit lang siya compared dun sa una naming ano. Pero may free towel naman. And then, may hot and cold shower na siya. So, dito kami mag-i-stay until tomorrow.
Yeah.